Today we're making tasty teriyaki turkey meatballs from the 5-ingredient diabetic diet cookbook for beginners. And this is going to be my family's dinner tonight. For this recipe, you'll need 2 pounds lean ground turkey, 1/2 cup rolled oats, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and 4 tablespoons low sodium teriyaki sauce. This is going to go on after cooking. I'm going to use my stand mixer to mix this. You don't have to. It just makes my life easier. So that's what I'm doing. First, I'm going to put in my turkey into my bowl. 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1 egg, 2 eggs. I'm also going to set my oven preheat to 400 degrees. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. And now I'm going to let mine knead on my stand mixer. Do what works for you. You want to get in there with your hands? Great. I don't like the messy hand thing. I am going to have to roll them with my hand. The nutrition facts on this recipe are, per 8 meatballs, that's a lot. 421 calories, 41 grams of protein, 20 fat grams, 9 carbohydrates, 1 gram of fiber, that must be the oats, 513 grams of sodium. Everything is mixed. Now I'm ready to put them on a sheet pan. I prepared this while it was mixing with some parchment paper. You don't have to do that. It doesn't say to do that. It's just going to make my cleanup easier. This recipe is for 4, and if 8 meatballs, that means I need about 32 meatballs. I'm going to use like the cookie scoop, and we're going to see how many meatballs we get. If I need to like make some smaller or bigger or something, we can do that. But I'm just going to roll them, pop on the tray. You could just go ahead and grease your tray, but I don't want to do that. I just want to be able to take this paper off and put it in the trash. If you're not used to working with turkey, this is a little stickier than maybe some other type of meatballs you've made. Try to make them all about the same size. That's why I'm using the cookie scoop, so that I can get them about the same size and I don't have to dig in there and scrape it out. Anything that makes things a little bit easier. It says that the prep time on this is like 12 minutes. It might take a little longer, a little shorter, depending on how long you can roll a meatball. And I'm probably going to have to adjust these. I always have to adjust my spacing on meatballs. Okay, so there's 32 about the same size meatballs ready to go in the oven. We're going to put them in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. I usually start on the lower side and then see if they need to be increased. We'll be back when they're done. There's our meatballs, all done. Mine took about 20 minutes to cook. Now I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of teriyaki, low sodium teriyaki sauce. And I'm going to toss the meatballs in that. Give them a nice little fluff toss, and they are ready to serve. Let's try one. Make sure you coat them as well as you can. Good. Yeah, I'll eat these. I don't think I have any complaints. Yay. You can get this book linked below. Pick one up for yourself. Follow along. I'll see you next time.